Want to give your Etsy customers more choices and boost your sales? Let's dive into mastering product variations. Imagine a customer browsing your shop, eager to find the perfect item without variations. They might see a beautiful necklace, but be limited to just one color or size. That's where product variations come in, transforming a good listing into a great one. First, navigate to your Etsy shop manager and select listings. Find the listing you want to add variations to and click Edit. Scroll down until you see the variations section. Click on Add Your Variations. This is where the magic happens. You'll see options to create different attributes like size, color, material, or even style. Let's say you sell handmade shirts. Click Add Attribute and select Color from the drop-down. Now enter the different color options you offer, separating each with a comma. So, for our shirts, you might type red, blue, green, black. You can add multiple attributes. Click Add Attribute again and this time select size. Type in your available sizes: small, medium, large. Once your attributes are set, Etsy will generate a table for you to assign specific prices and quantities to each combination. For example, if you offer a red shirt in a small size, you can set its price and stock level. If you have a special price for an XL shirt or a limited quantity of a specific color, this is where you manage it all. You can even add more custom options if needed. Hit Publish, and voila! Your listing now has intuitive drop-down menus, allowing your customers to easily select their preferred size and color. This not only improves their shopping experience, but also helps you track inventory more effectively. Start adding variations to your listings today and watch your Etsy store expand. #Etsy tips, #product variations.